If you look at this card, you can see 8 wooden vans flying through the air at high speed. They are all moving in the same direction. They are pointing downward as if they are about to land. This shows that things are moving very fast. A lot of action is happening all at once. The vans are traveling through a clear, open sky. This shows that there are very few obstacles. Things can move forward easily. In the background, there is a peaceful river and a small house on a hill. This shows that after this fast movement, things will settle down. There are no people in this card. This shows that the energy is natural and moving on its own. The suit of Vans is connected to the element of fire. It represents energy, action, movement, and momentum. Overall, this card is about speed, progress, and forward movement. It also shows messages or news arriving quickly. This is the 8 of Wands card. If upright, yes, fast progress, movement, or quick results. If reversed, delays, miscommunication, or things slowing down. Career, business, studies. If upright, things may move quickly in your work or studies. You may receive fast updates or important messages. In career, it can show quick progress or new opportunities. In business, it may show fast growth or deals moving forward. In studies, it shows quick learning and understanding. If reversed, things may feel delayed or out of control. There may be confusion or miscommunication. You may need to slow down and stay organized. Love relationship breakup. If upright, this shows fast moving energy in love. You may receive messages or sudden communication. A connection may grow quickly or move to the next level. In a breakup, it shows moving on quickly and healing faster. If reversed, there may be delays in communication. Messages may be misunderstood or not delivered clearly. A relationship may feel stuck or slow. In a breakup, it may feel like moving on is taking time. Health. If upright, you may start feeling more active and energetic. Things may begin to improve. If reversed, you may feel tired or mentally overwhelmed. It is important to slow down and rest. General guidance. If upright, take action while things are moving. Stay focused and go with the flow. Be ready to respond quickly to opportunities. If reversed, slow down and avoid rushing. Check your plans and communication carefully. Let things settle before taking the next step. So, the 8 of Wands teaches you to move with the flow of energy, to stay ready when things start happening quickly. It reminds you that progress is happening, and you must stay focused to move forward with it.